Good morning, guys. So we're going to Animal Kingdom today. We have a tour booked at 1:30. It's like the Walking with Elephants tour, kind of there, the Caring for Giants tour. But we have that, and I'll show you my outfit. But my hair's, I left it in braids and I want it to be curly, but it's kind of like crimped. And I have my heart necklace on, just the sunflower romper, and my Disney Vans. I wanted to wear my sandals with this, but I need to wear sneakers for the tour, so I'm wearing those. That's pretty much it. We're going to go to the bus, but I had Mickey waffles for breakfast, and I'm probably gonna get coffee at Animal Kingdom. I put my hair up because it was way too hot. Me and my sister got coffee. I got French vanilla. My sister got mocha. Now we're walking to Pandora because we have a 10:25 fast pass for Flights of Passage. Flying mountains.
Hold on, let me see what I can do.
We're eating the Yak and Yeti Express. We got honey chicken, and pork egg rolls. There's crows flying around us, and some like carrot things. So it's like 1:20 something. We're waiting for a tour to start at 1:30. Right now it's literally just me, my mom, and my sister on this tour. But we're gonna walk with elephants, so it's really cool. Bringing all the animals in because it's literally about to storm. It's like raining and it's legit lightning and thunder. This is insane. Me and my sister went in the pool today. And then they kicked us out. You can't even see me anymore. Then they kicked us out because there's like lightning 5 miles away, and now it looks like this outside. And you can hear it too. But I'm sad because we were supposed to go back to Animal Kingdom after the pool and ride like Expedition Everest and Dinosaur and see Rivers of Light. But now if it keeps up like this, we're not gonna be able to do that. So my mom's gonna see if there's any fast passes and stuff for tomorrow morning before we go to the water park. But we might go eat dinner at the Mara because we were gonna eat dinner at Flame Tea Barbecue today. But since we're not going back to Animal Kingdom, maybe we're gonna eat at the Mara. And it's literally flooding our balcony. So, and then we got to see them call the animals in and stuff. So that was pretty cool. But now I'm really sad because it's raining.
She got the pulled pork sandwich. Ooh. My mom got the bacon and Angus cheeseburger with no cheese. And I got chicken breast fries. And there's also pasta salad. This is a really good pasta salad. They have it at Boma too, so go try it.
So it stopped raining. Finally. So we're gonna actually try to go to Animal Kingdom. We're not sure if Rivers of Light is gonna play tonight, but we're gonna at least do Dinosaur and Everest and stuff like that because we don't have another time to actually go to Magic Kingdom. So we're gonna go and try to do that and hope for the best for Rivers of Light. If not, then we're just destined not to see it because literally something has come up every single time we've tried to see it. So we're gonna go on the bus. It's like a 7-minute bus ride, so we're gonna leave now. Our fast pass for Dinosaur ends at 7:30, so we're gonna probably leave right now.
motherfucker, yeah.